Hey there, foodies! Today, we're diving into the world of cooking educational clips focusing on the delicious and nutritious method of preparing vegetable soup. Vegetable soup is a fantastic way to incorporate a variety of veggies into your diet, and it's super easy to make. Start by chopping up your favorite veggies. Think carrots, celery, onions, and potatoes. Saute them in a bit of oil until they're soft and fragrant. Then, add your favorite herbs and spices such as thyme, garlic, and black pepper. Next, pour in your favorite vegetable broth or stock. Simmer for about 20 minutes and voila! You've got a hearty and healthy vegetable soup. Remember, you can customize your soup by adding different veggies, herbs, and spices to suit your taste. So, go ahead and give it a try. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious cooking tips and tricks. Happy cooking!